There may be situations where we need to filter while writing our programs. As we will see in a moment, we provide the continue keyword to skip the conditions that do not meet some of the desired conditions and move on to the next condition. The usage is the same as for the break keyword. Under what conditions we want the code to be skipped, we check those conditions with the if block. For example, if we only need to deal with odd numbers when we come across an even number, we iterate to make it move to the next condition. Thus, the code block is skipped and not executed for even numbers. Let's apply the example we gave. Here I will create our algorithm, but I will not use continue in the first run in order to better understand the subject. Moreover, you will see the difference with the basic code more easily. We designed a program that prints numbers from 1 to 10. The basic output of our program works like this. I did not write any code in the if block, but the if block works. If you want, you can test this yourself with the println macro. I am going to type the keyword continue here, and I will skip the requirement for a reminder of 0 after every division by 2. Thus, it will be ensured that every even number is passed without being printed. As you can see, we have printed the odd numbers from 1 to 10. However, the place where the counter variable is increased and the if block is checked is very important here. Changing rows can result in different output.